What's up everybody? Playing background music during your stream is a great way to set the vibe, add to your overall entertainment value, and also cut out those awkward silences. You can add another layer of interaction by setting up song requests and letting your audience get in on the fun. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the basics of how to set up the Botisimo music player. Once you're logged into your Botisimo account, select the Engage dropdown and select the music player. We provided some default playlists for you to use if you want, or you can add your own playlist. Add a playlist by clicking Add to Queue, enter your YouTube video or playlist URL, and click Save. You can add individual song URLs as well. Next, you're going to want to either enable or disable your song request. Viewers can use the song request command to request songs that they want to hear in the chat. Click on the Edit Song Request button. Here you can turn on or off the song request command. Add a cost if you want to charge loyalty points. Or put a limit on how many song requests can be made by a viewer. Now, we want to set up the actual overlay so that you can remotely play the music in your stream. You'll need a streaming software or a capture card. For today's example, we're going to be using OBS. Select the Music Player Controls button to enable or disable the overlay and control the player volume. The View Overlay button will open a new web browser to show you what your overlay currently looks like. To put our overlay into OBS, we'll create a new browser source. Add the music player overlay to the URL field. Adjust the music player ratio to the size you prefer. In this OBS example, you'll want to empty the custom CSS field for your overlay so that it displays properly. Botisimo's music player is one of our most popular features, so be sure you're utilizing this and all our other features to take your stream to the next level. Thanks for watching.